Because we want more formats that come from more places, that can go to more places. And we want them also to come from countries that form different kinds of cultural axes inside the international market, if you understand what I mean. So countries that are more Germanic in their culture should be developing formats that travel at the very least within that kind of world. I have, speaking personally, some sympathy for the broadcaster's position that they fund a program and therefore they want to own it. I mean, if I buy a house like I just have, I don't want to spend X hundreds of thousands of euros only to have the owner say you can only live in it on a Thursday, right? On the other hand, I do think that what's going to happen as a result of new media development elsewhere, and as a result of the relative, not the decline of power of the television broadcasters, because I think they'll become more powerful in some areas, as a result of the fragmentation of the traditional broadcasters market, I think that independent entertainment producers are going to have to become far more like film producers historically are, in the way they put together the sources of revenue in order to guarantee that they do control those rights and that the programs can be made in the face of relatively declining budgets in some sectors of the broadcast schedule. In other words, first of all, the broadcaster has to have faith in you and to demand things that they believe are equal to those they see outside in the outside world. Secondly, pleading a moral right to own your rights is not going to work. You are going to have to bring into that equation other forms of financing that convince the broadcaster that this is a partnership. So fundamentally, the skills of what it means to be an entertainment producer are going to shift, I believe, and are shifting. A little bit slowly, perhaps a little bit unclearly, but I do think that's the way we're going to have to go.
Jakob.
I have something to add to that. The first discussion about format export, actually, I come from smaller Scandinavian markets. And we were actually often facing with the challenge of wanting to pitch a domestic device shows that wasn't possible. And then actually we had one hit in the Scandinavian market that really made it and really was sold to a couple of 20 territories. And that actually gave some confidence to the fact that we could actually devise our own things. And by then actually the whole sort of format development culture has developed since then. And right now the status is actually that the Scandinavian region is compared to the size of the market, is one of the most exporting format regions of the world. So basically I think what is important is that there's a confidence from the broadcasters that they're ready to take chances. And another thing which is crucial is that the broadcasters should know that they need to nurture their domestic markets. If they don't buy something that the producers have devised themselves, then by time they would end up as production factories and not as intelligence powerhouses that can devise things themselves. And then we could ultimately end up in a situation where intelligence or intelligent people, intelligent creative people or whatever, would be a scarce resource within the industry. So keeping up sort of the challenge with all the other medias that's coming up these years, we really need to stay competitive as a TV industry. So that's very crucial. And then the second thing I wanted to add is the rights issue. I think it's a fantastic deal that PACT has made in the UK market. I think we actually tried to convince the politician in Scandinavia to do the same. It was impossible, unfortunately. But I think we should actually make a groundwork throughout every market to be able to foster a potential of incorporating that legislation in other territories, because that really nurtures a lot.
Stefan.
I had a little bit to disagree to the whole round here, and go back 1 year ago when we are talking to producers to launch Comedy Central in Germany. Mm-hmm. And what I realized is that at the end, the German producers are really, they want a whole